Hi, I welcome you to Powerland Science and Maths TV. Thank you all my loyal viewers and subscribers for bringing me this far. Now if you are new on this channel I talk about mathematics and science stuffs. Now in this video we are to solve simultaneously these two equations, which are x squared minus xy minus 6y squared is equal to 14 and x minus 3y is equal to 7. Now, as a culture on this channel, I'll be very glad if you pause the video and try your hands on this, after which you can compare your solution to that of mine. Now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make one of these variables the subject. So it could be either x or y, but I'm going to make x the subject. You can try making y the subject. At the end we'll arrive at the same solution. And so let me go ahead and make x the subject. So this will give x is equal to 7 plus 3y. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make a substitution of this into x squared minus xy minus 6y squared is equal to 14. So this will give me 7 plus 3y all this squared minus y into bracket 7 plus 3y. Then we have minus 6y squared is equal to 14. So let me go ahead and expand this. Now to expand this, I'm going to apply this principle that says that if you have a plus b all squared, this is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Plus 2ab. Plus 2ab. So in this case, our a is 7 and b is 3y. And so expanding that, 7 squared will give 49 plus 3y all squared will give 9y squared. Then plus 2 times the product of 7 and 3y. So this will give 42y minus, now we are expanding with y. So this will give 7y minus 3y squared minus 6y squared is equal to 14. And so let's group like terms here. If you take a look at this, you could see we have negative 3y squared and negative 6y squared, which will give us negative 9y squared. Then we have positive 9y squared. So they will cancel out. So we'll have 49 plus, now we have 42y minus 7y. So this will give us 35y. And this will give us 14. So let's go ahead and make y the subject. So we have 35y giving us 14 minus 49. And so this will give us 35y is equal to negative 35. And so y will be equal to negative 35 divided by 35, which will give us negative 1. Now, if y is equal to negative 1, then what we are going to do is that we are going to substitute negative 1 into this general equation. As a matter of fact, we are going to get two values of x. All right, we are going to get two values of x. So let me just go ahead and then make a substitution. So if I substitute, I'm just going to get x squared minus that, which would be plus x. Then you have minus 6 into bracket negative 1 all squared is equal to 14. All right, so what I did was that x squared minus, this is -1, so you get positive x minus 6 -1 all squared. So this will give x squared plus x. Then we have -6, because -1 all squared is 1, so -6 is equal to 14. This is a quadratic equation, so the right hand side must be 0. So this will give x squared plus x minus 6 minus 14, which is equal to 0. And so we'll have x squared plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So let's go through. Let's see what we can do. So we are looking for values that when we multiply we'll get -20, but when we add or subtract we get +1. So I believe these values are -4 and 5. So this will give us x squared, then we have -4x, then we have +5x, all right, then minus 20 is equal to 0. So if we simplify, let's factorize. If we factorize, we have x into bracket x minus 4, then we have, let's factorize 5 out, so 5 into bracket x minus 4, x minus 4, and this is equal to 0. So we have x plus 5 and x minus 4 is equal to 0. So going by this, x plus 5 will be equal to 0, where x is equal to 5, or where x is equal to -5, or x minus 4 is equal to 0, where x is equal to +4. So the values of x and y are y is equal to -1, and for x we have -5 and we have +4. And so the values that will satisfy these two equations are, we have y is equal to -1 and x is equal to 4. So these are the values of y and 4. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this comment in the this solution in the comment section. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please do so. Bye bye.